Alright, how's it guys? This is my Simpson Bandit helmet. Graphics was designed by Phantom Graphics. Had it for a few years, used to be my racing helmet. As you can see, it's still got a few Swatch stickers on. But I've taken most of them off. It's a very light helmet, simple paint design, but it's beautiful. I have my name put down on the bottom, my name and my surname, a few sponsor stickers. As you can see, the patterns that come from the front of the helmet to the back, very plain and simple at the back. It's got on the top, it's got the design coming from the front. On the same side, on the other side, it's the same thing, my name at the bottom, a few sponsor stickers. I replaced the air valves with black ones. They used to be different. I'm just looking for a new visor that I want to get, and then we can just check the design on the top. Very original, not bad design, but otherwise I enjoy the helmet. I like it, so I'll basically stick to Simpson. Thanks.